Hello everybody, I am Dr. Madhu K, consultant pulmonologist at Apollo BJS Hospital. I am here today on the occasion of World COPD Day, which is being celebrated on November 18th across the world, organized by the WHO, World Health Organization. The theme for this year is Living Well with COPD, Everybody, Everywhere. COPD, as we know, it's a chronic lung disease wherein the airways go for persistent and progressive narrowing. It is mainly seen in adults more than 40 years with a history of significant smoking. How is it different from asthma is, it is not seen much in children and not in non-smokers, but in people who are exposed to chronic house dust with firewood or cooking fuels home with ill ventilated rooms can also develop this COPD. COPD is the third most common cause of death globally, and it is increasing in incidence in view of the changing lifestyle, the changing habits of people, and poor ventilation, air pollution, and the changing atmosphere in the world. World COPD Day is celebrated mainly to increase the awareness among the public regarding the clinical features of COPD, how to get diagnosed with COPD, and what are the measures in controlling COPD or the treatment of it. COPD is abbreviation for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and as I told you, it is different from asthma in being a continuous and progressive disease, but with proper treatment the symptoms of COPD can be well controlled and they can lead on almost normal life. If the COPD disease worsens, patients may have to require home oxygen therapy, continuous support for breathing in terms of non-invasive ventilation, CPAP, BiPAP. The risk of developing coronary artery disease, heart attack, stroke is also going to increase along with COPD. So, I would request you all to please avail this COPD package organized by Apollo BJS Hospitals, Mysore, and get yourself tested with chest X-ray, lung function test, and get a consultation and know about your lung health and measures to improve your lung health and prevent from developing the adversities of COPD. Thank you.